सोमारा प्रचार करताना आपणे केल्ल्या विधानाचो प्रधानमंत्र्यान आपणाक जाय तसो अर्थ लायला आनी छत्तीसगडांतल्या सभेत ताचो उल्लेख केला. गोंयांत आशिल्ली बेरोजगारी कोळशाचे हब करपाक चालू आशिल्ल्या षडयंत्राचेर तशेंच काँग्रेसीच्या 8 जाणांच्या अपात्रतायेचेर कित्याक उलयना म्हणून कॅप्टन विरियातोचो प्रधानमंत्र्यांक प्रश्न. पुराय देशांतले मेळून भाजपाचे 18 कोटी कार्यकर्ते आसात, तांकां प्रधानमंत्र्यान सैन्यांत भरती जावपाक प्रोत्साहीत करचें म्हणून कॅप्टन विरियातोचे प्रधानमंत्र्यांक आव्हान.
I have just been given to understand that the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has taken cognizance of my speech yesterday during my campaign trail in South Goa constituency, in which he, like the Chief Minister of Goa, has twisted and turned certain portions of my speech and misinterpreted. And today he has made a mention of that during his speech in Chhattisgarh. I want to tell the Pradhan Mantri that what about all the other issues that we have been asking the BJP, all the issues that you have promised the people of Goa, be it unemployment, be it coal hub, be it the 3 linear projects by which you are turning Goa into a coal hub for the benefit of your crony capitalist friends. I also want to ask him that Niti Aayog recently released a report where it declared Goa as having the highest unemployment percentage. I also want to ask the Pradhan Mantri, you are challenging a soldier who has served for 26 years in the Indian Navy. When I entered the Indian Navy, I took oath on the very constitution that you are trying to change, amend, which your minister has claimed. If you have love for the country, you claim to be having 18 crore members of the Bharatiya Janata Party. There is a severe shortage, official shortage in the Indian Army, in the armed forces. Why don't you encourage your karyakartas to join the armed forces? That will show whether you're patriotic or non-patriotic. It's an open challenge to my Pradhan Mantri.